Louder.
Louder.
Why? 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 Because why? It's my unicorn. Who said it was yours? Corbin did? Well, what does he know? Ask her. Ask her. Say, do you want to come with me? See? She said no. No, she said no. This way is no. That way is yes.
Oh, she said yes.
Ask her. Ask her. Say, do you want to come with me? Do you want your unicorn? Bye.
Hey, what's this?
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, Mama's just playing with you. Okay? Don't be upset. Mommy's just playing. Here. You want your unicorn? Ask her. Yes.
Considering I've never made a soup plate before, like I'm thinking
And it's a happy ending.
It didn't look
Mama's
too
just
pretty,
playing
but
with
that's
you.
pretty much my tradition.
You can have it back. That's your unicorn.
That's my unicorn.
What can
Hey, don't.
What can I find a souffle?
You're gonna rip